Hi guys, this is just a quick clip before the real topic comes up of how my SSD is working in my MacBook Pro 13-inch mid 2009, 4 gigs of RAM, but I really need it because my hard drive was dying in it, and it's a pretty good SSD for its price. I got it very cheap. It's only 120 gigs, but I have external memory. But I thought that I will make this quick clip of just explaining that the rest of the clip will be in very bad quality because I have very low light and a very bad camera today because I didn't have this camera with me, which I have now. I know that I will need to make a review of it. The unboxing I cannot really do anymore, or I can make a quick review of what I have. Hopefully that won't be the best quality ever, but what can we do when technology is as it is? And then basically that's it, and I will be cutting in the clip now. Sorry guys, but please subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye. And yeah, sorry for being very late on uploading this. I promise that I will have it earlier, but my life has some problems, so I couldn't upload it in time. So this will be coming up very soon, probably next to my other video coming up over this weekend. Probably tomorrow I will be uploading these, and then hopefully tomorrow there will be another video coming up, a small review of cheap earphones which I actually left at my workplace, which I can quickly show you guys the box of it. It doesn't help much. It will be about Pioneer SECL 501L simple 3.5mm jack earbud. It comes with a large, a medium and a small silicone earbud on it. It has a 1.2 meter cable, but that doesn't matter. It's not to this video's topic, but this will be coming up as well, either tomorrow or in the first half of the week. So clip will be cut in, and see you guys. So guys, the SSD got into my laptop. I just wanted to show you guys that it is in there, really. And there is the old hard drive, which is pretty much already about to die. Makes very weird noises. Yeah, I need to upgrade my RAM because it's only 2 times 2 gigs in it, but I didn't get there yet. So I will have things to upgrade, but probably I will not upgrade this, but buy a 15-inch Retina. I'm not a big fan of the Retina screen, and I'm not buying it because of the screen. I'm buying it more for the internals and the better quality. Otherwise, this will probably go to some member of my family. If they want to upgrade, then upgrade, but probably I will just give it to my mom because she's still using the 2006 MacBook, the black version, which has only 1 gig of RAM. I don't know how she manages to do anything with that, but yeah. So here's the boot up. Let's see how fast. This took pretty long before, believe me. My computer cannot use all of the speed of the yeah, so it's pretty much up. Yeah, sorry guys, you cannot see my password. Focus. Yeah, and it's pretty much instantly back up. And shutdown is It depends on how much programs it needs to close, but otherwise it's pretty instantaneous. So this is basically the update which I promised, and then I will try to make some more tech videos. I know the stupid camera is not able to focus. Yeah, the screen can't focus on. This is only my small Canon. I don't have the one with me now, which I use at work. I will try to make more tech videos on at my workplace. There will be probably one coming up soon. Nothing too special with it, but that's it. Just for the end, I thought maybe a little glance of how my editing works on this video. So please subscribe, like. See you soon.